Yo, what's up everybody? It's Rolling Hunter. We're hitting up the hottest spots for tech lovers, the top 10 tech-inspired museums. So buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and let's get our tech history fix on. Kicking things off at number 10, we're heading to Vienna, Austria, home to the Museum of the History of Science and Technology. This museum is a treasure trove for anyone fascinated by the evolution of science and technology over the centuries. We're talking vintage astronomical instruments like historical telescopes and antique astrolabes that were used by early astronomers to map the stars and navigate the seas. Then there are early medical devices, the kind of stuff that laid the groundwork for the tech we use today. Imagine seeing the evolution of surgical instruments and medical equipment right before your eyes. Plus, Vienna itself is an amazing city, rich in history and culture, with stunning architecture and vibrant streets. So you know, two birds, one stone. Whether you're a history buff or just love exploring new places, this museum and the city of Vienna have something special to offer. At number 9, we're heading to the heart of Silicon Valley, San Jose, California, to check out the Tech Interactive. This museum is a hub of innovation and creativity, offering a hands-on experience that is both educational and fun. Here you're going to be building robots, experimenting with virtual reality, and engaging in interactive exhibits that make learning about technology an adventure. You can immerse yourself in cutting-edge VR experiences, explore the fascinating world of artificial intelligence, and see how these technologies are shaping our future. It's the perfect spot to spend the day with the family and maybe even inspire the next generation of tech innovators. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just curious, the Tech Interactive has something for everyone. For number 8, we're jumping over to Tokyo, Japan to visit the Mirai-kan, also known as the National Museum of Emerging Science and Innovation. We're talking cutting-edge robotics, space exploration exhibits, and displays of innovations shaping the world we live in. Plus, it's Tokyo, so you already know the food scene is going to be fire. Back to California for number 7, this time to Mountain View and the Computer History Museum. They've got everything from early computers that took up entire rooms to the first personal computers that sparked the digital revolution. Trust me, you could spend days here and still not see everything. Number 6 takes us across the pond to the UK, to the one and only London Science Museum. We're talking steam engines that powered the Industrial Revolution, early spacecraft that took us to the stars, and everything in between. Their hands-on exhibits make learning about science and tech fun for the whole family. Coming in at number 5, we're headed to Munich, Germany to visit the Deutsches Museum. We're talking everything from aerospace engineering to telecommunications, all presented in a way that's both informative and engaging. You're not just looking at static displays here, you're getting hands-on and really experiencing how these technologies work. At number 4, we're going to Bangalore, India to explore the Indian Computer Museum. You'll see the evolution of computing in India, from early calculating machines to the rise of software development and the tech boom. It's a fascinating look at how technology has shaped and is continuing to shape India's economy and culture. For number 3, we're heading to Florence, Italy to visit the Museo Galileo, a museum dedicated to the OG tech innovator himself, Galileo Galilei. Imagine seeing the actual telescopes Galileo used to observe the stars or the instruments he invented to study the laws of motion. Coming in at number 2, we're going to Washington, D.C. to visit the National Air and Space Museum. This iconic museum is a treasure trove for history buffs and science enthusiasts alike. It's home to one of the most impressive collections of aircraft and spacecraft in the world, showcasing the evolution of aviation and space exploration over the decades. From the Wright brothers' first airplane, which marked the dawn of powered flight, to the Apollo 11 command module that carried astronauts to the moon, the exhibits here are nothing short of awe-inspiring. It's a must-visit for anyone with even a remote interest in aviation, offering a deep dive into the milestones that have shaped human flight. Whether you're fascinated by space exploration or just the sheer wonder of human ingenuity, the National Air and Space Museum promises an unforgettable experience for visitors of all ages. And finally, at number 1, we have the Exploratorium in San Francisco, California. With over 600 interactive exhibits, you're not just looking at stuff here, you're touching, experimenting, and learning by doing. Seriously, you could spend an entire day here and still not experience everything. That's it for our top 10 tech-inspired museums. Which one are you adding to your travel bucket list? Let me know down in the comments. And while you're there, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more tech-tastic content. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.